This is a county that knows how the radio warning alarm device and the emergency alert system
during potentially dangerous weather situations. Especially built receivers are
automatically activated to warn up the impending severe weather and wind hazards in south central Indiana and north central Kentucky.
These receivers are normally conducted every Tuesday between 6 and 7 p.m.
local time and every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of
Existing severe weather in the area, the test shows the next available severe hazard. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office in Louisville on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. Reception of this broadcast and warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In south central Indiana, Clark, Floyd, Harrison, Jefferson, Scott, and Washington. In north central Kentucky, Floyd, Henry, Jefferson, Nelson, Oldham, Shelby, Fraser, 3.28 inches. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and emergency alert system in Indiana. We now return to regular programming from Fair and thunderstorm Fair and 7 minutes and Bowling Green Fair and in Indiana. Indianapolis Fair and the emergency alert finally in Evansville Fair and 77. Now the conditions for selected locations in Ohio and Morning International Airport is the 70% showers and thunderstorms. Now there is the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Kentucky and parts of southeast Indiana. Rest of today, sunny in the upper 60s, highs in the mid-80s. Independence Day. Harper County with a 40% storm showers and thunderstorms afternoon. Clear. From those in the lower 60s. Harper County with a chance of showers and wind becoming storms around 5 miles an hour in the lower 70s. Thursday, the precipitation over highs in the lower 90s.
Oh, here we go.
The lows around 70. The web quality alert to 5 to 10. The Indiana Department of Environmental Management have called a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Around 90. Tests of the signal winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40% a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater storms in the morning and showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Chance of rain 60%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with showers, likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. This is the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KZZ, 48-ton Kentucky public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tones, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Kentucky: Carroll, Franklin, Gallatin, Grant, Harrison, Henry, Pendleton, Owen, Scott, and Shelby. And in Indiana, Switzerland. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KZZ, 48-ton Kentucky. Now
Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Kentucky. Rest of today, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Light and variable. Becoming northwest around 5 miles an hour this afternoon. Tonight, clear.
This is NOAA All Hazards Radio WWG 73 in Seymour. And now we look at your forecast.